In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the zoom feature on your Wix site. Whether you're a seasoned Wix user or a newcomer trying to make your website browsing experience smoother, this guide is here to help you navigate the process with ease. To begin, you'll want to open your Wix website editor. If you're not familiar with it, the Wix editor is where all the magic happens. It's your primary tool for customizing your website's design and functionality. The editor allows you to make everything uniquely yours, right down to how various features, like the zoom function, work. So start by logging into your Wix account and accessing the editor for the site where you'd like to make changes. Once you've opened up the editor, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a variety of options to enhance your site. Among these is the plus icon, which when clicked provides functionality for adding elements to your pages. For the purpose of this tutorial, even though we're not adding new features, understanding this space is essential for any changes or updates you choose to implement in the future. Currently, within the Wix editor, the zoom function is quite straightforward. By default, you have the ability to zoom in and out using simple mouse and keyboard commands. For instance, pressing the control button on your keyboard while scrolling up or down with your mouse allows you to zoom in and out on the canvas area. This is a helpful feature when you're designing and need to focus on small details, or want to view your layout as a whole. In our tutorial, though we are highlighting how you interact with Zoom currently, it's important to note that for disabling Zoom specifically in relation to the public viewing experience by visitors, this needs to be adjusted differently within the widget settings or code adjustments, which unfortunately cannot be directly showcased within this editor tutorial alone. If such control is necessary, consulting Wix support or advanced tutorials might provide further options for hiding advanced navigations from public view. As you continue designing and modifying your website, it's beneficial to be comfortable with these editing capabilities. The freedom to switch seamlessly between close-up views and broader views puts intricate design and overall composition right at your fingertips. Remember, effective website design often involves numerous tweaks and considerations. Utilizing these features correctly can amplify your creative vision. And just like that, you're equipped with knowledge on accessing and contemplating the zooming functionalities within the Wix editor. So take a moment to reconstruct those pages with precision, and don't hesitate to explore further capabilities of your editor for achieving your desired look and feel. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check back for more insightful tutorials on creating your perfect website experience.